In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add price channel strategy in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged in to your TradingView account and you have a chart open. Any market and any time frame will work, so just pull up the chart you normally use for your analysis. Once your chart is ready and you can see the candles, we're going to add the strategy directly onto this screen. Start by moving your mouse to the top of the chart area and look for the button labeled Indicators. It's usually at the top of the screen above the price chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This opens a panel where you can access all the built-in tools, indicators, and strategies available in TradingView. Inside this panel, you'll see a few different tabs or sections. What we want is specifically under Strategies, not the regular indicators list. So next, click on the Strategies tab. This switches the view from standard indicators to strategy scripts, which can backtest trading ideas and show hypothetical trade entries and exits right on your chart. Once you're on the Strategies tab, you'll see a list of built-in strategies provided by TradingView. They are usually in alphabetical order, and there's also a search bar at the top if you want to type the name in. Look through the list and find Price Channel Strategy. If you don't see it immediately, just start typing Price Channel into the search box and it should appear. When you see Price Channel Strategy, simply click on it once. As soon as you do that, TradingView will automatically apply the strategy to your active chart. You'll notice new lines or bands forming a channel around price, along with potential long and short trade markers, depending on your chart's history. If you want to fine-tune the settings, you can hover over the strategy name in the chart's data window at the top left and click on the settings icon. From there, you can adjust things like the length or other parameters to better match your trading style and instantly see how those changes affect the backtest results. That's all you need to do to add the price channel strategy in TradingView Pro. If you're interested in using TradingView Pro or upgrading your account, make sure to use the link in my